In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail shortcut on your desktop so you can access your emails straight from your computer. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Google Chrome and you need to log in to your Gmail account. From the top right hand side, select the three vertical dots and then scroll down and hover over Cast, Save and Share. Then come across and select Install Page as App and go ahead and press Install. Once you've installed this as an app, you can close out of this app window. Head back over to Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots. Scroll all the way down and select Settings. And from the URL section, we're just going to remove the word Settings and instead we're going to type in Apps and hit Enter. Then from here, you'll now be able to see the Gmail application. And all you need to do is just right click on this like so and select Create Shortcut. Then decide where you want to add this shortcut to. You can add it to your desktop, Start menu and your taskbar. For me, I just want it on my desktop, so I'm going to get rid of these two here and select Create. And now if I head over to my desktop, you can see we now have the shortcut for the Gmail application. And if I double click on it, that would take me directly over to the Gmail application. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.